Learn to say and write numbers. Part 4. 9 and 10. Here we see some leaves. How many leaves are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 leaves. Now we will learn to write number 9. 1 full round and down we go to write the number 9. Number 9. How many pencils do we see here? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pencils. So now we will learn to write the number 10. 1 stroke down and 1 full round to write number 10. Number 10. Let us revise all the numbers from 0. 0. There is nothing in the box. Number 1. There is 1 drum. Number 2. We have 2 mugs. Number 3. We see 3 fish. Number 4. We have 4 bears. Number 5. We see 5 sunflowers. Number 6. There are 6 balls. Number 7. We have 7 cupcakes. Number 8. There are 8 jellies. Number 9. We see 9 leaves. Number 10. There are 10 pencils. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep practicing to say and write the numbers. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.